she's going to want you to keep recording.
She's
going to be upset at the few seconds that we
Hey, no dreams, only dreams now.
No dreams, only dreams. Orange dress. Orange dress. Question number 1. Remember the 18th of May. I'm assuming I'm supposed to remove this. Bed. Happy Valentine's Day. This is where it all started with, and it just worked out in my favor that I wore your favorite color. Now it's time for you to venture to the first place we went on May 18th. Remember, this is a journey you must take and complete on your own. If you so desire to document your travels or to seek guidance, do tap into the powers of your cellular abilities. You may want these memories etched pretty parchment paper for those who came after you. Godspeed. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you. Cease recording.